In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Gumroad to PayPal. Whether you're selling digital products, workshops, or subscriptions, having an effortless payment system is crucial. Connecting Gumroad to PayPal streamlines your payment processing, ensuring a smoother transaction experience for both you and your customers. Let's dive right in and go through this step-by-step process together. First, you'll want to kick things off by heading over to Gumroad's website. This is where you'll manage all settings related to your store and payment processes. Once you've landed on the homepage, look towards the top right corner. You'll see the login button right there. Click on that and let's proceed. If you already have an account, simply enter your login details. If not, now's a great opportunity to sign up and set the stage for using Gumroad to its fullest potential. For those who prefer a straightforward login experience, you have the option to use Google. Click on the Google button and select the account you wish to associate with your Gumroad login. This little trick can save you time and spares you one less password to remember. Alright, once you're logged in, it's time to access your account settings, where all the good stuff happens. On the dashboard right there, amidst the various options, you'll find the settings menu. Give that a click and it will guide you to where you need to be next. Now, let's zero in on the payments section. This is a critical area where we ensure your funds can be processed efficiently every time a customer decides to make a purchase. Once you're in the payment section, scan together for the PayPal option. You'll see it prominently displayed there, ready for you to take the next step. Here's where the magic really happens. To connect Gumroad with PayPal, you'll need to input your PayPal details. Ensure you have your PayPal account information handy. Quick tip here, always double check the email associated with your PayPal account before entering it. You want to make sure payments are routed to the correct account without any hitches. Once you've added your PayPal details, all you need to do is save your settings. At this point, sit back and relax, knowing that you've successfully connected Gumroad to PayPal. Your customers will now be able to use PayPal to purchase your products seamlessly, making their buying experience as smooth as possible. Congratulations, you've done it. By integrating these two platforms, you're well on your way to amplifying your business capabilities. Thanks for joining me today, and stay tuned for more insightful tips and tutorials to help you get the most out of your e-commerce endeavors.